This is the first time this grant came out, and it was $125,000, $25,000 that the club would have to put in, and Alberta Agriculture would do the other 100. Our facility is 36 years old, but if you look around, nobody would think it's that old because we upkeep it, and if you don't keep up with infrastructure, just like anything else, it just falls apart. It allowed us to make some major changes that we couldn't afford before. Alberta Ag Societies and the Alberta government recognizes this with this new funding, and we think it was just a great opportunity. In 1989, when this structure was redone, a new building, we lost our old one in a fire. And back then, everybody smoked. So we had to have an airflow system that took out 200 people smoking. So back then it was 6 makeup air units, and it was just pipes and everything going all over and fresh air coming in, and you had to heat the air because it would get too cold in here. So all that had to go out, rechange the airflow, put in a high efficiency boiler system, which helps our rink on the green side. Now we've gone to new technology with the help of this grant. Everything is high efficient in the building. The toilets were old, cracking, low profile, and so we went with new comfort height toilets throughout the system, airflow through the bathrooms, and stuff that got put off to the side, like new flooring in the kitchen and in our bar area, new high efficiency coolers, high efficiency commercial dishwasher. We have people from Thorsby, Devon, Pigeon Lake, all will commute here because the small curling clubs no longer exist. It's third generation, fourth generation of people that are coming back here now. So we feel pretty proud of it.